presenting the 2006 Dodge Dakota SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front reading lamps, adjustable steering wheel, fog lamps, 4-wheel drive, power steering, aluminum wheels, and power mirrors. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.